Hello everybody, my name is Duc Hoang and this video is made for my capstone class ISOM424 and today I'm going to talk about definition and basics of Java. This video is recorded by OBS. Alright, let's get into it. So Java is a general purpose programming language that is class-based and object-oriented. Java is very popular and is often taught in school. Why? Because Java is capable of developing mobile apps on computer, very interesting. And also Java can run on Windows, Macs, and Linux. To simplify why we are using Java, let's put it this way. Java is a tool to help us talk to the computer. We talk to the computer by codes, which is series of commands to tell the computer what to do. So Java has its own language and it's very simple, much simple comparing to other languages. And we talk to Java that with something makes sense to us, and then Java converts all of that into something the computer would understand. To put all of these process in visual, it will look like this. So first step is source code. This is where we write all of the codes, and the file should name something .java. And then we compile the source code into bytecode, which is .class. So the purpose of bytecode is to is allowing all of these different operation system to understand the source code. Users don't have to worry about converting codes from Mac to Linux or anything. We just need one Java source code, and then the rest is done for us. So behind all of this work, there's help from two factors. First is JDK, Java Development Kit. JDK gives us all of the tool we need to write code in source code. And we also have JRE, Java Runtime Environment, to help one source code to run on different operation system. So now we're going to download JDK and JRE. First, we can just Google Java. This will be the JRE. I already download all of this file. I'm just showing you how to go online and download all of this. Next is JDK. JDK, Google it. So it goes by Java SE. SE stands for Standard Edition. Hit download. Remember to accept and choose your correct operation system. For me, I'm using Windows, and download this. Alright, now after downloading JRE and JDK and install them into my computer, now we'll look into applications that we write codes on. In this video, I'll be using NetBeans. This is our website. We hit download. So all of these stuffs are free. JRE, JDK, and NetBeans as well. We choose the latest version. Hit download. I already downloaded the file, so I choose Windows because I use Windows. After finish downloading, the system will ask you for the file destination, and also you need to locate the JDK file as well. So the JDK 13 is required. This is NetBeans. Alright, now we create a new project. Java application. Next, Duc Hoang ISOM424. Okay. Remember, no space, no space. Alright, now we have our project and we right click here, new Java class, new class, uh, hello packages right here. Perfect. All right. So now we are in project Duc Hoang ISOM424 and in hello class. So now I'm gonna write some code first and then we'll go from there. Public static void main string system dot out print and there we go. And we now hello. Put in hello. Alright. Um so now I'm gonna break down everything in here. So this is the print command. Everything is in lowercase except for the S. O is a lowercase, P is lowercase, and L is lowercase as well. Um, Once you finish coding, you need to save your work by pressing Control S for Windows, as for me, or Command S in Mac devices. And now I'm gonna press the play button on the top, which is Run Project. Now we run. Select main class. So this is right here is our output, which is the console menu. Um, the result is the system prints hello inside of the console window. We'll be working with the console window a lot, as this window will show our output. So basically, this is our application. All right, now I'm gonna talk a little bit more. So you can change anything in here, and the results will change. Remember to always save your work. Yeah, that is a very important thing. Many instructor and professor have mentioned to me that always save your work. We never know. We can lose the work. We lose all of the codes anytime. Power outage, attackers, um, many reasons. So just remember, always save the work. Now I'm gonna explain a little bit more about these lines. So everything in here is in a class, in a class. So this class I name hello, hello. All right. The technical name, I mean the technical definition for name is identifier. And inside of a class, we can have many methods. So this is our only method, and our method also has a name, which is main. And inside a method, we can have statements right here. So this is our statement. So this statement commands the computer to print out the word Duke right here in the console window. Um, Additionally, while we're writing code, we'll face a lot of errors. Sometimes debugging is even more difficult than writing codes. So this application, NetBeans, help us identify the error and makes the debugging process a bit easier. So let's say I delete this, you can't run it. You can save it. Nope. Wait, what? Okay, but it still shows the error right here. So the error will show right here. and also it will show on the number of the lines, number 14. There we go. All right. Uh, so in this video, I have covered the definition, I mean, get the basics of Java and the simple definition of basic coding, as well as the packages and the requirements to start writing code in Java, which is JRE, JDK, and introduction of NetBeans. Uh, I would say Java is a simple language, and um, uh, I mean it's not simple, but it's more simple than other languages. So, but its learning curve is steep. So I would say there are tons of introduction. I mean, uh, how-to videos and beginners videos, such as I follow this YouTube
I
channel.
don't invest in anything.
I'm sorry, and also W3 Schools. So YouTube and W3 Schools have me a lot um, in programming, and also W3 Schools ha, has tons of information. So I would suggest anybody would want to understand or learn programming or any kind of these stuff like C++, Java, Python, um, should go to W3 schools. Best. Um, so now I'm gonna stop recording and upload um, the video to Blackboard. This video is recorded by OBS. This is OBS. And thank you very much for listening and watching. Thank you.